it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have a special guest here with us today.
This is Austin. What's up, guys?
Okay, as you guys can tell, he's a little bit hyper.
Water. I don't know what you're talking about.
Water. Watch the clip. In today's video, we're gonna do some yarn wall hanging. I'm actually gonna do one myself and he's gonna do one, and we'll go ahead and see which ones look better.
Oh, disclaimer, I have no knowledge in DIY stuff.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna look fine. It's gonna be my first time showing someone how to do like this DIY project type style. So it's gonna be a challenge. So we'll see how it turns out. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go. So we have all these yarns. Oh my god. That we got from the Dollar Tree, and we have a wooden ring right here. Ow.
Girl, what happened to you? You screw up so many times.
This is not a tutorial. So put that to the side. So you're gonna pick a color. Open it up. And then you're gonna find your end.
Where's the end? Oh, I found it. Okay. This is a competition.
Now you're gonna figure out how long you want your wall hanging to be.
I want to be longer than yours.
What the? When you double it up like this, and then you're gonna cut it like that. We have Jimmy here. Jimmy, you wanna come say hi?
Yeah.
So then you're gonna take this end right here.
Okay.
And then you're gonna like put it underneath like that. And then you're gonna take that loop and pull this part in.
Oh.
Like that.
Guys, this is my first time. Don't laugh.
We should have been smart and actually measured how long that was, because we're gonna have to do it like 500 more times.
500? Are you serious? Oh, this is fun.
I really wanted to do something super simple for him. Like I was just like, oh, let's do something easy. But he was just like, no, let's do something challenging.
Thought about challenging is like that much time that we need to make.
Instead of like attaching it on right now, keep cutting more strands so it's easier for you to measure it out. You can always measure it like at the end if you don't like the length. This is super long. Maybe we should make it shorter. 2 feet. I think that's 2. Oh my god. Oh my god. Take your strand like that and then just measure it. And then cut it. How'd you do that?
I just twist it. This is gonna be time consuming.
This is only the first color.
How many of this do we think we have to make?
Probably
2 hours?
I don't even know. Maybe.
2 hours, not too bad.
Oh. DIYing is fun.
Yes. How many of this have you done already?
6.
6? I'm only at 3. Oh man. Oh man.
He makes it sound so serious. I'm gonna try to put some on the ring and see how much room it takes up. I'm gonna fold it in half, put the loop over, pull it through. It looks like he cut 20 of these, and now he's gonna go ahead and attach it onto his ring. I attached on 1, 2, 3, 9 of my strands onto my ring, and I think 20 would be enough, so that's why I told him to cut 20 or more. While he's doing that, I'm gonna cut more of mine because I only have 9.
Can you please repeat how we do this?
No, it's a challenge. So put the loop underneath the ring, and then you're gonna put this right here inside the loop and pull out. How are you feeling? How are you liking this whole DIYing?
So far I can tell I enjoying it. This is testing your patience, and I'm a very patient person.
Found a photo on Google that we really liked, and that's what we're testing out. So we don't really... What was that?
Showing the photo.
We found that photo, whatever he did, on Google. We wanted to try it out to see if we can make it ourselves.
See, they're about the same length. I'm so proud.
I'm a little off.
That's okay. People make mistakes.
But I'm perfect.
The student has become the teacher. Okay, now it's just time to attach.
You know, she was suggesting to us that we're gonna do more than just one.
I didn't know how long this was gonna be. I wanted to do more than just one DIY, but I think one DIY is fine.
I think this is better than the cooking video we made.
If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out. It's actually pretty funny though.
We messed up a big time. That's why it's funny.
I just think we should just stay away from like baking, like we're
Maybe this.
DIY stuff.
Yeah.
About you, I'm feeling 22.
I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Right? Because I sing so good.
This is what I got so far. So I have 22 here. Next color.
Why are you so fast?
What color?
Comment on the section below. Tell her what. And then she can forecast it.
Should I do this or this? Purple it is.
Oh my god, I hate counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I think I want to add more?
Remember, you have 2 other colors.
We can add more, right, after this?
Yeah, of course.
Should I go gray or white? I cannot visualize though.
Instead of like one color together, you can do like a pattern. Next one is gray, next one is white.
Would that look nice? Okay, let me try. 5 of this and then 5, 5, 5, 5, 5.
Sure.
So I have finished 20 of each color. What I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna start assemble this together.
I'm actually gonna alternate the colors, so I'm gonna do like purple, white, gray, then purple, white, gray. Hopefully that looks nice.
Yeah, it looks nice. But mine's better.
It's looking like a unicorn tail.
Did I take a lot of space from you?
Oh, you didn't. Now that we had added all our yarn onto our rings, look what it looks like! The aesthetics are definitely different, but we're not done yet. We still have to cut the bottoms and add a little yarn on the top so you can hang this. Turn it this way so it's longer. We already cut the ends of our little wall hanging. I really wanted to be extra and add some braids into it. We're gonna grab some yarn, cut longer ones because braids, when you braid them, it takes more yarn than just putting it straight down.
Right.
So we probably have to cut some more. So now we're gonna put them together, fold it in half, the other, and then you're gonna do the same thing and loop it through.
All 3 together?
All 3 together. I'll try to move these over. So
Okay.
you have room. Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna put this like this.
Yep.
Just
Pull
like
it
this.
there. Yep. So have you ever done braids before?
No, I have not.
2 on the right,
Okay.
2 in the middle, and then 2 on the left.
Okay.
Your right
Mm-hmm.
is gonna go over your middle. Okay, now your left is going over the middle.
Wait, the middle of the...
The new middle.
And then just like this?
Yep. And then your right is
Uh-huh.
gonna go over the middle, and then your left is gonna go over the new middle. And you're just gonna repeat that.
Oh, interesting.
Do you see it?
Yes, I see it.
Okay guys, now that we're finally done with all our braids, we're gonna go ahead and add in 3 yarns across, and then we're just gonna do the hanging thing, and then we're pretty much done. For the ones that are gonna be like right in the middle, we're gonna have to use some hot glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab our gun.
I'm gonna do like a star shape.
I'm just gonna put 3 straight lines right in the middle because I'm done. But yeah, I'm gonna put 2 dots on each side, and I'm just gonna place it on. Once it's glued on, then I'll cut it. So put a little bit of glue there. A little bit of glue there. Here you go. If you want the hot glue, be careful. It's hot. Put a little bit on the wood first.
Change my mind. I'm gonna do like a triangle.
Now you're just gonna take some yarn, and then you're going to make the knot once again on the top.
People have their own style. Where'd it come from? Was it found?
And there we go.
And there we go. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope that you guys liked the DIY.
This is so fun and highly recommend for everyone to do this sometimes. I thought it was just like, you know, one of those really grandma stuff to do. Oh, this is fun and I kind of like it.
Again, this is not a tutorial. If you guys thought it was, I'm so sorry. By the way, let us know in a comment down below which one was your favorite. Mine is...
Vote for me, vote for me.
Make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I saw your face in the moon. Promise I'll be